Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So I bought a battery operated one, and this one is much easier to install. You don't have to hire an electrician for this job and you can do everything yourself. So I'm planning on installing this alarm in a hallway, and as you can see, there is a recommended placement. If you have a hallway, you must have carbon monoxide alarm. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. And we have a mounting plate, we have a menu here. I'm trying to focus on the menu. We have some mounting screws and anchors to attach a mounting plate to a ceiling. And the last piece that we have here is an alarm. And now I'm choosing a location to place an alarm, and this spot looks perfect for it. So here are some drywall screws that I'm gonna be using to attach a mounting plate to a ceiling. And the reason I'm choosing drywall screws because I don't have to pre-drill holes for anchors, and this makes a job much faster. So, and now I'm securing mounting plate with a third screw to avoid any movement of mounting plate. And now it's time to activate an alarm, and I need just to attach an alarm to a mounting plate and push a test button, and that's it. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.